Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for discovering top-rated products. Today, we're diving into the world of trailer accessories with an exclusive countdown of Amazon's bestsellers. Get ready to explore the gear that's capturing everyone's attention. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling trailer accessories is the Big Red T 43202 Torin heavy-duty steel jack stands. These are not just any jack stands. They're designed to impress and perform under pressure. Imagine this. You're tackling a heavy-duty job and you need a stand that's as tough as your workload. The Big Red T 43202 is your go-to solution. Crafted from high-grade forged steel, these jack stands boast a welded frame design that ensures durability and reliability. Their robust construction means they can handle a load of up to 3 tons or 6,000 pounds. A perfect match for a wide range of vehicles, though keep in mind they're not suitable for SUVs or trucks. These stands come with an adjustable height feature ranging from 11.14 inches to 16.34 inches. Whether you're working on a car or another vehicle within the specified range, you'll find the height adjustment quick and efficient thanks to the multi-position ratchet bar. The sawtooth design of this bar allows for rapid, secure adjustments that lock firmly into place. But that's not all. The Big Red T 43202 stands on a wide pyramid footbase, which provides additional strength and stability. This ensures that once you have your vehicle lifted, it stays securely in place. The large saddle surface area enhances contact with the load, making sure that the support is solid and dependable. Tested for reliability and safety, these jack stands meet ASME standards. They also feature a double locking pawl and tooth design for added protection, your assurance of extra safety while you work. In summary, the Big Red T 43202 Torin heavy-duty steel jack stands are a must-have for anyone in need of reliable, sturdy vehicle support. Their exceptional build quality and safety features make them a top choice among trailer accessories. Number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling trailer accessories is the Amazon Basics Steel Jack Auto Stands. A pair of these sturdy stands promises to elevate your vehicle maintenance experience with both reliability and ease. At the heart of these jack stands is their impressive 3-ton capacity, meaning they can support up to 6,000 pounds, ideal for most cars and light-duty trucks. Constructed with a durable steel frame and finished with a rust-proof coating, these stands are built to last and withstand the rigors of regular use. One standout feature is the self-locking ratchet mechanism. Forget fumbling with locking keys. This intuitive design allows for swift and secure height adjustments, making your work more efficient. Whether you need to raise or lower the stand, the self-locking system ensures a smooth and effortless operation. Safety is paramount, and these jack stands deliver. They meet the ASME PASS 2014 safety standard for portable automotive service equipment, giving you peace of mind knowing they adhere to rigorous safety guidelines. The stands also feature an easy-to-read weight capacity indicator, so you can quickly verify that you're using the right equipment for your job. Plus, they come backed by an Amazon Basics limited 1-year warranty, adding an extra layer of confidence to your purchase. In summary, the Amazon Basics Steel Jack Auto Stands are a blend of durability, ease of use, and safety, making them a top contender in our list of must-have trailer accessories. Number 3 in our countdown of the best-selling trailer accessories is the CURT 25080 Trailer Coupler Pin. This isn't just any pin. It's a powerhouse of reliability and versatility. Let's dive into what makes this coupler pin stand out. With a 1/4-inch diameter and a length of 2.34 inches, this pin is designed to fit a wide range of trailer couplers. Its versatility doesn't end there. It's also compatible with trailer jack wheels, pintle hooks, and more. Whether you're securing a trailer or attaching equipment, this pin has you covered. When it comes to security, the CURT 25080 excels. It's engineered to keep your trailer coupler latch firmly engaged with the trailer ball. The solid steel construction ensures the pin delivers robust strength, while the retainer clip guarantees that it stays securely in place, free from vibrations or rattling. Ease of use is another highlight. The pin features a square retainer clip made from spring steel, which is semi-flexible for effortless operation. Inserting the pin into the coupler latch is straightforward, and the clip snaps on seamlessly, ensuring a tight, secure fit. But that's not all. The CURT 25080 is built to last. Its durable zinc-plated finish provides excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, making it reliable for all your adventures. You can count on this pin to withstand the elements and continue performing flawlessly. In summary, the CURT 25080 trailer coupler pin is a must-have for any trailer enthusiast. Its combination of versatility, security, ease of use, and durability makes it an outstanding choice for keeping your trailer connections safe and secure. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling trailer accessories on Amazon? Well, don't let your trailer hitch miss a stitch. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your trailer in tip-top shape. Number 2 on our countdown of the top-selling trailer accessories is the MAXXHAUL 70205 Trailer Light Kit. This all-in-one lighting solution is designed to enhance your visibility and ensure safety on the road, making it a top choice for trailers, boats, RVs, and more. Let's explore what makes this kit stand out. It's a comprehensive package that includes everything you need: two 12V LED stop, tail, and turn signal lights, 2 amber clearance lights, a license plate bracket, and a wiring harness. With its universal fit, it's compatible with a wide variety of trailers, ensuring you get the right lighting no matter your setup. Installation? It's a breeze. The kit comes with a 22-foot split Y-style color-coded wiring harness that simplifies the process. This design not only speeds up installation, but also makes it easier to get everything connected correctly so you can hit the road with minimal hassle. Now let's talk about those LED lights. They're a game changer, offering superior visibility and longevity compared to traditional incandescent lights. The extended lifespan of these LEDs means you'll enjoy reliable performance for years to come, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Safety is a priority, and the MAXXHAUL 70205 doesn't disappoint. It meets DOT-FMVSS 108 regulations, ensuring that the lights are compliant with safety and road standards. You can drive with confidence knowing your lights are up to code. Durability is another key feature. The UV-coated wiring harness is built to withstand the elements, providing enhanced protection against wear and tear. This means your kit will maintain its performance and appearance, even in harsh conditions. Curious to learn more? Scroll down and explore our A+ pages for additional details. You'll find comprehensive information to help you make an informed choice about the MAXXHAUL 70205 Trailer Light Kit. In summary, the MAXXHAUL 70205 Trailer Light Kit delivers on all fronts: comprehensive functionality, easy installation, long-lasting LED performance, and durability. It's a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their trailer lighting setup. Taking the top spot in our countdown of the best-selling trailer accessories is the Partsam 12V Submersible Square LED Trailer Light. This product epitomizes functionality and durability, making it an exceptional choice for all your lighting needs. Let's dive into what sets this light apart. Designed to be universally compatible, it fits trucks, trailers under 80 inches, tractors, semi-trailers, dump trucks, buses, boats, and more. Whether you're equipping a snowmobile or a camper, this light has you covered. The Partsam Trailer Light features a sophisticated LED setup. On the curb side, you'll find 15 diodes, 12 red and 3 red, that provide 6 essential functions: stop light, turn signal, tail light, rear reflex reflector, side marker light, and side reflex reflector. Meanwhile, the street side boasts 19 diodes, 12 red, 3 red, and 4 white, serving 7 functions: stop light, turn signal, tail light, rear reflex reflector, side marker light, side reflex reflector, and even a license plate illuminator. Visibility is crucial, and this light doesn't disappoint. With super bright LEDs, it ensures maximum visibility and safety, fully operable in all weather conditions. The light is completely sealed and waterproof thanks to its acrylic lens that effectively blocks water, keeping the circuits protected. It's built to withstand the elements, making it a reliable companion for long-term use. Installation is a breeze. The package includes everything you need: 1 pair of lights, 2 gaskets, and 4 screws. The wiring details are straightforward, so you can upgrade or add these lights to your boat, snowmobile, camper, or utility trailer with ease. In summary, the Partsam 12V Submersible Square LED Trailer Light stands out for its versatility, robust functionality, and durability. It's the ultimate choice for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's lighting system, providing superior performance and safety in any condition. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling trailer accessories on Amazon. To stay up to date with all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling products we discussed today. Until next time, thanks and see you soon. Is there anything from this conversation you'd like me to remember for the future?